We are back with 11-day results. So this is very impressive. 11 days they have lasted. So this was Dazzle Dry, this was Douglas, right? And this is how they lasted. To be honest with you, I really don't see much of a difference. This actually seems a little bit less shiny, no? Like it looks smoother but less shiny, if that makes sense. Yeah, okay, so we're going to remove it now. So I'm going to start with this hand because this is the Douglas side, and this one is going to need to be wrapped to be removed. I'm gonna ruin my nails.
That you just did.
That I just did. Like, you can actually use the clips, but I find this is a little bit better. When you have the clips, the product, the remover can evaporate sometimes a little bit more. So when you are removing this yourself, just do one hand at a time. So now we're going to time it. One of our viewers asked me, and I can explain this. She was looking for a timer that it's not very noisy. So what I would do, I always count up. So I start with 0 and I just count up. I don't set it for 10 minutes, for example, and then let it beep, because that's just very annoying in a salon. So basically this keeps going and it doesn't make any sound, right? All right, so here's what I'm going to do. And this is how I remove the polish. So I let the remover to penetrate the polish. I don't go wiping. It's actually much easier to do it this way. And I do this on all 10 nails, and then I go back to the first one, and by then the first one is ready to be removed. So let's just wait. Okay, let's see the other hand. It's been a minute.
Stop. Amazing.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna take a towel, because sometimes you have a little bit of base coat stuck, and this comes off much better with the towel than little pads.
Yep. Like, look at that.
Yeah.
That's 11 days of wear, and it removes that nicely.
Okay, so now I'm going to grab a little bit of a remover, and yeah, it comes off really well.
Nice and neat.
Your nails are a little dirty.
Oh well.
All right, so I'm just trying not to damage my nails, so I'm doing this a little weird, but okay. So this one, I mean, as usual, comes off. If this happens, I just leave it, and then I just go back with the clean piece. Yeah, amazing. Razzle Dazzle. One of my clients used to call this Razzle Dazzle. So what do you guys think? I think from a lot of the responses, people are saying that they prefer Dazzle Dry because of you don't need the lamp for it.
Yep.
And can I see the other hand?
The speed of the dry time of Dazzle Dry.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
The nails look the same. There was no damage to this hand whatsoever. This was slightly easier to remove because I didn't have to wrap it, right? But I mean, Dazzle Dry is not available on. It's not a very good comparison. It's not apples to apples. It's apples to oranges, because Dazzle Dry is a nail polish. This is a UV cured product. You still have to be very careful. If you over apply it, I think what people do the most, the biggest issue that they have with is they apply it a little bit too thick, these products. So these ones, the UV cured, and then they don't dry properly. And this won't happen with Dazzle Dry, because you will know, or you just, it takes a little bit longer to dry, but you won't end up with product that's not dried properly. And it can happen with this one. But overall, I think very good results. What do you guys think?